Balochistan and Pakistan, an inseparable commitment. Balochistan's bond with Pakistan is rooted in shared history, faith, civilization, and a vision for a bright future. His Highness Sir Ahmed Yaar Khan of Kalat, clearly stated in Inside Baluchistan.
For us, the Baluches, Pakistan was an article of faith, and faith with us is something that clings to us as long as we breathe as mortals. He further declared, I have no regrets whatsoever for what I did in the major interest of Baluches and the country I call my own, both of whom are equally dear to me.
The Khan's vision was clear. The mission of the Baloch people is twofold: to safeguard their own interests and to strengthen Pakistan, their homeland, on a broader scale. According to his grandsons, Prince Faisal Dawood and Prince Umer Ahmedzai, Khan of Kalat acted under the guidance of Islamic teachings and the Prophet's instruction to join Pakistan.
But let me ask you one thing point blank. आपने अभी कहा कि हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने आपके दादा को बशारत दी ख्वाब में आके कि वो पाकिस्तान के साथ मिले?
जी हाँ, जिस तरह आई एम टेलिंग यू कि मेरे वालिद के साथ एक दिन मेरी बात हो रही थी and I asked him this question that why did we join Pakistan when we were independent states? So he smiled and said the same thing I asked the same question for my father one day, जो मेरा दादा थे, कि why did we join Pakistan? So that was told to him and my father told me one day, so I'm just saying it on live on TV today, like I said it that day on Geo as well.
This historic decision was not only legally and historically sound, but also essential for the welfare of the Baloch people and the security of the country. Today's youth must recognize the unshakable truth. Pakistan is inseparable from Balochistan's progress, stability, and future. All claims of forced accession or foreign pressure are false narratives that crumble against the undeniable facts of history.